from the main menu, press Write Protect Data. The chairman should now enter his or her role PIN. The VCM will prompt the user to confirm the lockup of the external SD memory with message. Press Yes to confirm the lockup of the SD memory. The VCM will lock the backup memory, display a message informing about the result of the operation, and will automatically shut down. Do not forget to remove the main SD card from slot A and place it inside the envelope. The backup SD card shall not be removed from the VCM, and the cover of slot B shall remain sealed.